What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome to the Daily Rewind with me, your boy HB. On today's show, I'm going to discuss a very important topic. It's very important, especially when it comes to the minority um, group in this country. And I'm talking about the Voting Rights Act. So I came across this article on the Associated Press. Quote, the Supreme Court case could lead to loss of black representation in Congress, but the scope is unknown. A neutering by the Supreme Court of the Voting Rights Act, last remaining major provision, will eventually trigger a political avalanche, an event that starts narrow but gathers momentum as it is spread across the national map. In this case, the benefit will be the Republicans, seeking to maintain a majority in the House of Representatives, perhaps for many years to come.
Bruh.
Such a change seems more plausible Wednesday after the court's conservative majority indicates a willingness to limit race based districts under Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act. The landmark civil rights law requires the drawing of legislative districts that allows minorities to select representatives of their choosing. Um, that has created majority black and Latino districts that vote reliably Democratic in some of the nation's most conservative states. Plaintiffs in one of those states, Louisiana, brought the case before the High Court after the state was ordered by a federal judge to withdraw its congressional maps to include a second majority black district, one that was won by a Democrat last year. If the plaintiffs win their case, it could turn that district back into one likely to be represented by Republican and possibly even eliminate its other Democratic seats, which also was mandated under the Voting Rights Act. That could ripple across the South, where Democratic groups Fair Fight found that there are 19 Voting Rights Act mandates Democratic held seats that Republicans could conceivably withdraw to their benefit.
Bruh.
Quote, I am really worried that, given the political climate that we're in and the conservative nature of this court, and then rolling back affirmative action, and giving more executive power to the president, that this would not end well for us, end quote, said Representative Terry Sewell. I may not be pronouncing it right. I'm sorry, sister. An Alabama Democrat. End quote. This is not looking good, man. I don't have any faith in this court. One thing I can say about the Republicans is that this was the plan all along. This has been the plan. We didn't see it coming, but they've been working behind the scenes. And the reason why I say this has been the plan, because look at Project 2025. Project 2025 was developed over years. That was years of work. They implement years of work in that mother. They took their time. That was a 900-page document. Well, not document, but a book that they took their time and put their effort into it. All along, they've been, you know what I'm saying, planting this. Honestly, if this happened, Republicans is going to gerrymander the out of the maps. It's going to be impossible for the Democrats to win a majority if this happens. Because best believe they're gonna go in. They're gonna wreak havoc over the maps if the section 2 is eliminated. And not only on the federal level that this is going to affect, statewide seats probably will be up too. It's like you're turning the South back to pre-civil rights, stuff that we read in school. Going back, you're trying to take us back to that era. I, again, many people, 80%, 70, what it was like 79 or 78 to 80% of black men voted for VP Harris, and 92% of black females voted for VP Harris. It's a lot of people that didn't vote in this election. And at the end of the day, you know, their decision is their decision on why they didn't do it. But unfortunately, that decision has affected all of us. All of us got to pay for their consequences. And like I said, I don't have any faith in this court. I think they're going to get rid of it. I'm not going to be shocked if they get rid of it. I'll be shocked if they don't get rid of it. This is a fight. We got to fight. The elders, they put in their fight. They put in their fight. Now it's up for us to get out there, roll our sleeves up, and get to work. Because this is going to be a long fight. It's not going to, if this section 2 go away, this is going to be a long fight. So I hope you guys are ready. Anyway, with that being said, hope you guys have a good day. I would appreciate if you join the team, like, subscribe, help your boy out. I'm trying to build this machine, and I'll be glad to have you come on board. You guys have a good day. Peace.